Hi guys, it's Alpha Blue and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So guys, in this video, I'm just gonna be doing a very quick Euro USD uh trade analysis. And this is just a follow-up of the analysis I did earlier this morning during the London session. So as you can see, this is the 1 hour time frame on Euro USD. And during the London session, I had already done a market preview or analysis, and I was saying that I was expecting to see the market either break this level right here, test it, then I buy, or it rejects at this level, then retest it, then I sell to this point right here for over 1 to 7 RR. So, and I want to show you how the trade idea is playing out, So let's just review and analyze the trade. So let me show you when I got my entry. So as price got to this level right here, I was carefully watching the price to see that it breaks a key level at this zone. So what I wanted to see is price reacts to this zone, then break a level, a like higher low, form a lower low, then I'll look for sell entries. Then what then happened was that this was an area. Let's see on the 15 minute how it looks. Okay, let's see on the now it looks better on the 3 minutes. Now if you look at this on the 3 minutes, right about here, this was a higher low that I was waiting to see that price was going to break. Then I'll start looking for my sell entries. So once price got to this zone I marked out earlier, this big zone right here, I noticed that the price started to dance around. It was just doing anyhow, just jumping up and down. So I now waited to see that, okay, let me see that this price gives a lower low instead of a higher low that it has been giving all this while, higher low, higher low, higher low. So I wanted to see that it gives a lower low. So I just drew this line here to see if it breaks it. So immediately it broke it. I then looked for a a level or something like another block that I can begin to look for sell entries or place my sell entry. And then this was the one that came that I used, because as you can see, this one right here, this one, this was the beginning of the sell move that broke this zone right here. And market gave a very strong push downwards. You need to see like very, very clear, obvious, very obvious footprint of sellers if you want to sell. You get? So you need to see a very clear footprint of sellers in the market. Then you know that, okay, this is when you are sure that, okay, the sellers are in, we can begin to look for sales at this level. So like, for example, this particular level right here, you see the very long bearish candle, the very strong bearish candle that moved all the way down. Now, even though it didn't break this level that I drew right here, but if you look at it very well, you see that it broke this week. You see that it broke this week. You see that it kind of passed this week. So when I saw that it had passed this week, I was still waiting for it to break my main level that I drew, which was this. So immediately I saw that it now broke it around here. I was ready to place my limit. I was ready to place my sell limit. So I did place my sell limit. I I marked this zone. Let me check which time frame was it most valid. Yeah, it was most valid on the 5 minutes. It was most valid on the 5 minutes. Look at it. The last bullish candle before the bearish candle that broke structure. So I just marked it out. Then I placed my limit. I didn't want to set my stop loss just above this candle right here. I wanted to set my stop loss right here. So that was why I set my stop loss here. And then my entry. So the market came, tapped me in nicely, and then sold off. Let's check the 15 minutes. Now this is the 15 minutes. You can see the wick it gave right here at that entry. and then it sold off. Came almost to my take profit, then retraced back. I guess for another opportunity for others to sell the market. So right now, this is the trade I'm currently in. My stop loss is at break even, so even if this goes back to stop loss, it's fine. But then this was the trade idea, and then this is it playing out. So let's hope it gets to TP and see how it goes. So that's it for this market update. Hope you were able to get value from this. Cheers and see you in the next one.